Back with us today is Sally Babbitt, Babbitt Legal Group. Sally, over the past 2 years, more services are now offered online, including access to the courts. So that's a convenience for the public, but should we be concerned about identity theft with so much information available at the fingertips?
Yes and no. It's true that everything is so much easier for the public to get their hands on with the court. Over the last 10 years, we're heading that way. Obviously, in the last 2 years with the pandemic, things really accelerated. And it's true, sensitive information, what they now call personal identifying information, which would be your birth date, social security number. Yes, that is filed with the court, but we have to look at which information is really available to the public.
Okay. Well, would you say there's been a significant change in what information is being provided to the courts?
Yes, definitely. You know, when I started practicing in probate a little over 20 years ago, we were still putting the decedent's social security number, birth date, and all their kids' names and birth dates right on the face of the will and filing it with court. You know, we figured the better we can identify this person, you know, the better it is. We haven't been able to do that for a few years. In fact, if we have older wills, obviously once they die, we can't change them. So that all has to be redacted. But we've had even more significant changes coming into 2022.
What would you say those are?
So the biggest one has been starting January 1, the State Court Administrative Office that regulates the administration of the court rules and documents. They have implemented new documents. And so as an example, let me know if you can't see this. Here's one that we do. It's an acceptance of appointment.
Okay.
Typically down at the bottom, the person accepting the appointment would have to drop in their birth date.
Okay.
Now what it says is put date of birth in row 10 on MC 97A. So then they came up with two new documents, 97 and 97A. That's where we're going to put that information.
Okay.
So that's been a big change for us because the 97 and 97A, yes, they get filed with the court, but they are not available to the public.
Okay. Real quickly, we're almost out of time. If you're submitting documents electronically, is it possible that the protected information could be get accessed by a hacker?
Absolutely. Always make sure anything you submit, you are on a secure server, you've got firewalls in place, virus scans, the usual. Because yes, definitely it's a risk.
All right. Attorney Sally Babbitt, Babbitt Legal Group. Contact them online for more information. Always a pleasure talking with you, Sal.
You too.